exploring the musical genius of Pharrell Williams, hits, history, and hidden stories. Ever wondered how one man can revolutionize multiple music genres? Let's dive into the world of Pharrell Williams. With his unparalleled talent and innovative spirit, Pharrell has left an indelible mark on the music industry, influencing countless artists and redefining musical boundaries. Pharrell Williams, a musical icon, has consistently pushed the envelope with his genre-blending style. From producing chart-topping hits to performing unforgettable songs, his influence is felt across the industry. His unique sound and creative vision have cemented his status as a trailblazer. Growing up in Virginia, Pharrell's childhood was steeped in diverse musical influences. His early exposure to different genres and local music scenes shaped his eclectic style. His passion for creating music began in these formative years, setting the stage for his future successes. Pharrell's big break came with the Neptunes, the production duo he formed with Chad Hugo. Their innovative sound quickly garnered attention, leading to successful collaborations with major artists. This initial success laid the foundation for Pharrell's illustrious career in music production. The formation of Nerd marked a significant chapter in Pharrell's journey, blending rock, funk, and hip-hop in groundbreaking ways. The band's unique sound and energetic performances resonated with fans, establishing Nerd as a pivotal force in alternative music. Pharrell Williams' debut solo single, Frontine, showcased his smooth falsetto and masterful production skills, becoming an instant hit. The song, featuring Jay-Z, blended R&B with hip-hop, setting a new standard for genre fusion and solidifying Pharrell's solo career. The global phenomenon Happy transcended the charts, becoming an anthem of joy. Its infectious melody and uplifting lyrics brought smiles worldwide, earning critical acclaim and widespread recognition. The song's cultural impact was undeniable, solidifying Pharrell's status as a musical genius. Pharrell's collaborations with Daft Punk, Snoop Dogg, and Jay-Z highlight his versatility and ability to blend seamlessly with various artists. These partnerships not only produced chart-topping hits, but also showcased Pharrell's adaptability and innovative approach to music creation. Known for his signature sound, Pharrell has produced numerous hits that have defined modern music. His unique blend of funk, hip-hop, and electronic elements has made him a sought-after producer, shaping the sound of countless artists and leaving an indelible mark. Pharrell's impressive list of awards and accolades underscores his influence and talent. From Grammy wins to industry honors, each award highlights his contributions to music and culture. These recognitions not only celebrate his achievements, but also inspire future generations of artists. Pharrell Williams is not just a musical innovator, but also a trendsetter in fashion. His unique style blends streetwear with high fashion, often incorporating bold colors and eclectic accessories. Pharrell's partnership with brands like Adidas and Chanel highlights his influence. Beyond the stage, Pharrell is dedicated to philanthropy. He supports education initiatives, including his nonprofit, From One Hand to Another. The organization aims to provide educational resources to underserved youth, showcasing Pharrell's commitment to giving back to the community. Pharrell's entrepreneurial spirit extends beyond music and fashion. He co-founded the clothing lines Billionaire Boys Club and Ice Cream, which have gained a cult following. His ventures demonstrate a keen business acumen and a passion for creativity in various forms. The Blurred Lines controversy brought Pharrell into a legal spotlight. The song, a collaboration with Robin Thicke, faced a lawsuit for copyright infringement. While the case was contentious, it sparked important discussions about creativity and originality in the music industry. Pharrell's talents extend to the cinematic world, where he has contributed to numerous soundtracks and scores. His work on films like Despicable Me and Hidden Figures showcases his versatility and ability to evoke emotion through music, enhancing cinematic experiences. Pharrell's persona, Skateboard P, embodies his love for skateboarding and street culture, blending effortlessly with his music. This alter ego has become a cultural icon, representing his youthful spirit and rebellious creativity, influencing both fans and the broader music community. Pharrell's songwriting skills are unparalleled, crafting hits for himself and other artists. His ability to blend catchy hooks with meaningful lyrics has produced timeless songs. Tracks like Hollaback Girl and Blurred Lines showcase his versatility and genius in songwriting. Pharrell's live performances are legendary, captivating audiences worldwide. His energy, charisma, and unique stage presence make each show unforgettable. From intimate venues to massive festivals, Pharrell delivers performances that leave a lasting impression on fans and critics alike. Pharrell's influence on hip-hop is profound, mentoring and collaborating with numerous artists. His innovative production techniques and genre-blending styles have pushed hip-hop's boundaries. Artists like Kanye West and Tyler, the Creator, have cited Pharrell as a significant inspiration in their careers. Pharrell's music videos are known for their creativity and visual storytelling. Each video, from Happy to Freedom, offers a unique artistic experience, blending vibrant imagery with compelling narratives. His innovative approach to music videos continues to set new standards in the industry. Pharrell's studio creativity is legendary. His innovative approach often blends genres, producing unique sounds. Whether experimenting with instruments or layering vocals, his meticulous process ensures each track is distinct. This dedication has solidified his reputation as a master producer in the music industry. Family plays a pivotal role in Pharrell's life. Married to Helen Lasachan, they share a strong bond with their children. Despite his fame, Pharrell values privacy, ensuring his family remains grounded. This balance enriches both his personal and professional endeavors. Pharrell's peers hold him in high regard. Musicians and industry insiders praise his versatility and vision. His collaborative spirit and humility have earned him widespread respect, making him a sought-after partner for projects across various musical genres. Pharrell's collaboration with Daft Punk on Get Lucky was monumental. The track became a global sensation, showcasing his vocal prowess and the duo's production genius. Their seamless synergy created an unforgettable hit, further cementing Pharrell's status as a versatile and influential artist. Social media is a vital tool for Pharrell. He uses platforms like Instagram and Twitter to engage with fans, share insights, and promote projects. His authentic and positive online presence fosters a deep connection with his audience, enhancing his global influence. Pharrell Williams' voice is a unique instrument, instantly recognizable and imbued with a distinct blend of smoothness and edge. His vocal style, characterized by its falsetto and effortless delivery, has become a signature element in his music, setting him apart. Pharrell's music transcends time, consistently resonating with audiences across different eras. His ability to innovate while maintaining authentic sound ensures his tracks remain relevant. This timeless quality has cemented his status as a music icon who continually influences new generations. Fans often share touching stories about how Pharrell's music has impacted their lives. From inspiring personal growth to providing comfort during tough times, his songs have built deep connections with listeners worldwide, showcasing the profound effect of his artistry. As Pharrell continues to evolve, his future projects are highly anticipated. Whether it's pioneering new sounds, collaborating with fresh talent, or exploring uncharted creative territories, his journey promises to be an exciting chapter in the ever-evolving landscape of music. To stay updated on Pharrell's latest endeavors and learn more about other music legends, subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel. Join a community of music enthusiasts and dive deeper into the stories behind the artists who shape the industry.